Is zero a troublemaker for you? We often use zero. Sometimes we use it with small numbers, in doing addition, or in doing subtraction, and we may use it in working with large numbers. Let's see how we work with zero. Zero isn't much different from any other number, like 4. You know that this numeral tells us the number in a set of 4. Here is a set of 4 trucks. Now it's a set of 3 trucks, a set of 2, a set of 1 truck, a set of no trucks. This is a set of 0 trucks. 0 is the number of the empty set. It tells us there are not any in a set. A set of 3 paper flowers, a set of 0 paper flowers. How many pennies are in this set? Right. How many pennies are in this set? Right. 0 is the number of the empty set. 0 is a number, just like 1, 2, 3, and the others you know. Because 0 is a number, it's on the number line. 0 is a starting place for number lines. 0 is to the left of 1, because it's less than 1, just as 2 is to the left of 3, because it is less than 3. Because 0 is a number, you can usually use it like any other number. You can add with it. Let's look at addition with 0. Ed has 4 trucks. His friend Steve was going to bring some of his trucks over to Ed's house. But Steve forgot. How many trucks do they have to play with? Well, Ed has 4 trucks. And Steve brought no trucks, 0 trucks. So there are still just 4. When 0 is added to another number, the answer is that number. But is 4 plus 0 the same as 0 plus 4? Let's see. Sue is Ed's sister. She has no paper flowers, 0 flowers. But a friend gives Sue 4 flowers. Now how many flowers does Sue have? Right. 0 plus 4 is 4. And with the trucks, we saw that 4 plus 0 equals 4. Adding 0 is like adding any number. Either number can be first. The answer is the same. 7 plus 0 equals 7. The same answer as 0 plus 7. It doesn't matter which number is first when you add with 0. You see? Let's try another addition problem using 0. Ed and Sue's big brother Jeff has 5 pennies. He's looking for some more pennies. No pennies in his pocket. 0 pennies. No pennies in his bank. Another 0. No pennies in his dad's favorite chair either. Another 0. Jeff even asks his mother if she has any extra pennies. But no, she doesn't have any pennies for Jeff. Another 0. 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals how much? No matter how many zeros are added to another number, the sum can never get larger. Isn't addition with 0 easy? Well, subtraction is just as easy. We can learn about subtraction with 0 by seeing what Sue does with her 4 flowers. She has taken the flowers home. She asks Steve and Ed if they would like to have some. How many flowers does she have left? She had 4 flowers, gave 0 away, and still has 4 flowers left. Sue will help us do another subtraction problem. This is Sue's mother. Mothers like flowers. So Sue gives the 4 flowers to her mother. We can subtract 4 from the number Sue had, which leaves Sue with 0 flowers. No flowers. Whenever a number is subtracted from itself, that leaves 0. 0 is an easy number to use in addition and subtraction. Just remember that 0 is the number of the empty set. Even when 0 is used with other numerals, it tells us there is an empty set. Jeff and his marble collection will help us understand the meaning of 0 in the numeral 30. Each of these bags has exactly 10 marbles in it. This is a set of 3 bags of marbles, right? But we have more than 3 marbles altogether. This 3 shows us that we have 3 sets of 10. 0 in the ones place shows us that we have 0 ones, 3 tens, and 0 ones. If we add 4 marbles, the 0 no longer correctly counts the set of ones. 4 is the number of the set of ones. Jeff has a total of 34 marbles. No, he has more marbles. This bag has 100 marbles in it. We need to show this in the hundreds place. Jeff has another bag of 100. Jeff has a total of 234 marbles. What happens when Jeff takes away the 3 sets of 10 marbles? Hey, what kind of numeral is this? Is it 24? There are more than 24 marbles on the table. 2 is not the number of sets of 10. It is the number of sets of 100. What numeral tells us how many sets of 10 there are? Not the 4. 0 is the number of sets of 10. The 10 set is empty. No tens. 0 is an easy number to use, but it also has a special use that no other number has. Let's see what that is. We saw earlier that Jeff has a total of 234 marbles. If someone asked Jeff how many marbles he has, he would say 234. But Jeff might also say, I have about 200 marbles, because there are about 200 marbles in the box. Not 2,000, not 20, not 2. Jeff has about 200 marbles in the box. But 200 is not the exact number. The zeros are placeholders for the exact numbers. In the numeral 200, zeros help us know that the 2 shows how many sets of 100. Using zeros as placeholders is called rounding off numbers. It's often done. The distance you'd have to drive to get from New York to San Francisco is 3,038 miles. But people often round it off to about 3,000 miles. Man's first trip to the moon took 103 hours. But we might also say it took about 100 hours for the trip to the moon. It's not exact, but it gives a pretty good idea. 0 is an important number. It tells us we have empty sets, both by itself and with other numerals. And 0 has a special use as a placeholder for other numerals when we're rounding off. Do you think 0 is a troublemaker? Not for you anymore.